Swag, bitch.
Hey, good morning guys, welcome to another video. Here we have the Z, and as you can see, we're missing the front bumper. A friend reached out because he wanted to buy it, so he gave me good money for it, and now I'm looking for an Insuma bumper. I also put a new clamp with the charge pipe, so hopefully that solves all the issue of the clamp coming off. But yeah, now in the meantime, I sold my G37, so I'm using my mom's car since she's not using it, but we had a flat tire yesterday, so I'm taking it to a tire shop to get it patched. Hey guys, just like I mentioned, I got rid of the G37, but I had to do something to it before I could sell it. As you can see here, I'm changing my fenders. One of them is bent, and the reason for that is one of my tires had popped a couple days ago. I think it was on a Thursday, and then on a Friday, on a Sunday, I went to a tire shop and found 2 used tires for a good price. Got them installed the car, and then Monday hits and I'm getting close to work. I'm getting off the highway, and right when I'm going to make a turn for the main street, my front wheel fell off. It damaged my fender, my lug nuts were gone, and my wheel studs were in bad condition, so I had to replace some of my wheel studs. I was able to find a matching fender, a new wheel, because the holes got super big on the other wheel, and I replaced my tie rod end. So all that was like $300. Thankfully I got everything super cheap. And then I sold the car. I actually made a profit for the price that I bought it, even including all the repairs that I did. And now I'm looking for a new daily.